Hello viewers, Eric the Ultra here, and today I'm going to be announcing to you that I am currently working on the first episode to the Ultra Hedgehog series. So, the first episode of that is like the Ultra Welcoming. For this concept, I'm going to be showing you how it can, for this interruption part. I know what you're thinking, this room that I've been editing with, it may not be real. This may be the green screen edit that I've done before. But anyway, the concept of this, I will be showing you how I can do all this. So, just meet me guys in there, hold on. Talk about that. My mind went a little cuckoo there, and anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and move on so I can show you how I can do all this. Hey, down here, just zoom in so you can see me better. That's good. Yeah, you may be surprised how I've gone tiny like this with this big place. Yeah, I will surprise you how I can just dashboard just to get started on showing you guys. Just watch this and meet me on top of this one thing. See what I mean? I am going to you see this guy? That's the bigger me. And it's fixing to work on the animation I was fixing to tell you about. And that would take so long to make the whole series because there are 12 frames per second in each one. But no matter how long it takes, because the way how I did the intro, I didn't care how long it took. Step one. If you are in the Flipper Clip app, click on the plus sign that says to create a new project, however you want it, and then once you get done with that, you click create. Step two, you just create a frame. It's kind of like a guideline. Step three, you just have to create a next page and then just make it move however is needed. Step four, if you're using a ball to bounce it with, just the ball by itself, and if it starts to go down, you have to make it to where it actually looks like it's going down, like wink, 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 like that. Step five, you have to just create as many frames as you can to do that. And once you get done with all of that, you can add in sound effects however you want. And let's see the result. And there you go. And that's how you create an animation of yours. So, if you wanted to do the same thing as how I'm doing it, just let me know in the comment section below. Even though you're not good at it, just remember, practice makes perfect. And just make sure to hit the subscribe button, and you won't miss any other videos out. And I'll see you guys later.